This is mod 1 for downward facing dog. Starting from your 4-point position. So hands underneath the shoulders. If the shoulders are super tight, widen those hands a little bit. Knees just behind the hips, balls of the feet down onto the floor. All you're gonna do is float your knees up off the floor, draw your belly in, and then just think of lifting your tailbone up towards the ceiling as you start to bring your ribs towards the quads. The most important part here is to keep the spine really long. So if you feel like your spine is rounding, lengthen the distance between your hands and your feet. Otherwise, keep your hands where they are. Keep lifting. Imagine there's a fish hook on your tailbone, lifting your tailbone up towards the ceiling. Your gaze is just between your ankles. The back of the neck is long. Staying here, really decompressing the spine. So thinking about pushing that floor forward with your hands, separating the vertebra from each other. Really good for the back. Stay here, find that yoga breath, breathing in and out through the nose. To come out, slowly place the knees back down onto the floor.